Hey, right everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to do an unboxing of DJI Mic Mini, and I've been wanting one of these for a while due to one of my weddings. The microphone went, it started losing sound and things like that. So I also just want to introduce Knuckles. Knuckles is a new edition. He's 6 months old. He's super sweet. Because my cat Bella passed away last year, unfortunately. But so he keeps on his tail going all over the place. Well, I want to do an unboxing of this because I like DJI products. I have two Osmo Actions. I've got the original and the Osmo Action 3. I've heard a lot about this, so I'm looking forward to using it. So here we are, the DJI Mic Mini. Like I said, I decided to buy this one because it's got two mics and the charging case as well. Preferably because I'll be doing interviews and as well along with weddings and everything else between. So I'm going to start opening this. Alright, so we've got the manual, I suppose. So yeah, you've got your manual, quick start guide. You have, let me have a look. This is, these are stickers. Yeah, so you get some stickers. Cool. Yeah, cool. Like that. So let's get to the big boy. Okay, so starting off here with a really nice case. That is a really nice case. Like that. Got a little tag here. All the information inside. Let's have a look. So I think these are the dead cats. Yep. So you attach them to your mic. They're good, really good quality. So I've got 4 of these. Actually, funny enough, this one looks like my cat. Good. And he's just down there looking, thinking what's going on. There he is. Is that yours? Come on, Knuckles. Sorry. He's just... Knuckles! What are you doing? What are you doing? Just because I mentioned it looked like it doesn't mean you can get in my video. Well. No! You can't start eating stuff. Come on. Oh. Right. Right, he'll be onto the side, so he's not going to do any harm. What's in here? Are you interested in seeing what's in here? You're going to use it as well. So, what have we got in here? Yep. Thanks. Get your tail out of the way. Come on. You get over there. Come on. Sorry about that. So you got some leads here. Put them back over there for a minute. What's that? That's just is it. And then there you go. So I really like the case. The case is quite thick. Really nice feel to it. Like I said, feels sturdy. You've got some pockets there inside. Really nice. The cat is going to come back up and again. Oh. So let's have a look here. Look, you're not the star of the show. Come on, you can't even see you. Come on, get. Ah, over there. Oh dear, can't say. Right, so got the nice case. This is the charging unit. Really feels really nice in the hands. Really good, nice weight to it. Yeah, really like the feel of that. Really nice feel again. You've got your, to put your charger into, and we're just gonna press to unlock. That's quite nice. And right, really love this. Wow, this is like a your kid opening a Christmas present. I really like this. This is really nice. It's already been charged up. So you've got, wow, that's one of the mics. Look at that. Look how cool that is. It's got a good weight to it. It almost feels, this is kind of plastic, but good plastic. Really good material. Cat! Sean, get off. Now you're wrecking me place. Knuckles, sorry. Really nice material. You've got your magnet. And that really feels sturdy. That really feels sturdy. So, really like that. Let's put it back in the case. You've got the other one there. Again, I wanted two. I think this is the phone adapter. Could be wrong. Not sure what that is. It's a bit foamy. Not sure you can take it out. So on here we have this bit, the transmitter. That's nice. It looks like a little, like a little camcorder. Imagine me going to a wedding night and going, here's my camcorder, guys. I'm going to film your wedding. Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to film your wedding. Here's my camera. It does look like a little handycam, tiny handycam. But I really like this. Really like this. So we're outside in this lovely UK weather, rainy all the time, dark, gloomy, and absolutely freezing. But I thought, what a better way to test this DJI Mic Mini, and I'm going to do so with it on normal mode. It does have a sound reduction, so I'll try that in a minute. But what I'm going to do is kind of try the sound quality, and I'm going to do the distance as well, range, and see where it falls apart and when it comes back in. So we'll try that now by walking back and keep on talking. And it is, I'm still freezing. It's can't wait till the weather comes in. So I'm going to go all the way back here. Now I'm assuming that this will fall apart as I'm here, walking forward, and again it is absolutely freezing. I think it's around -2 here at the moment. They keep saying there's going to be snow, but who knows. And hopefully this is locked onto my face. So yeah, so I don't know where that has broke apart. I'll soon find out in a minute when I take it in and have a look on the computer. But what do you guys think of this sound so far? I'm going to now turn on the noise reduction, make sure that's on. So this is the noise reduction. I've not hit it myself yet until I actually have a look at my video. So I'm going to do again a range test and keep walking backwards, like so. Oh, so we just keep walking forward, and I can feel there's a kind of a bit of wind coming towards me, and it's just, oh God, I am really freezing. So I'm assuming that sounds better with the noise reduction on. So what do you guys think? Do you like the sound of this DJI Mic Mini? I love DJI products. I've got 2 Osmo action cameras. I've got the original and I've got the third one, and I'm going to do a test on the third one in a minute. We're connecting this onto it, see what the sound quality is, but I'm going to do that from inside. So, but what do you guys think? Do you like the sound of this? What do you think about DJI products themselves? Would you buy this? Now, I typically bought this for weddings, but I bought the 2 mics, you know, the set itself, because I want to start doing, you know, interview videos and things like that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Be really interested to find out what you guys think. I've just done a little noise listening from this, and I love the sound so far. And I was right down the bottom of there, and I didn't hear any disconnection from it, so which is fantastic. And the last little mic I had just kept disconnecting. Now you can imagine this being an aisle at a wedding, and that's the entrance. And if I had a bride or groom down that way, and the noise would start cutting out. So this is really, I'm really happy with this. So I'm going to kind of just go as far as I can do and see if this does cut out at any point. But so far I'm really impressed, really liking this, and the sound quality so far from what I can hear, because I've got some headphones, plugged them into the camera, and I'm loving it so far. So I'm just going to keep walking, do a little bit of a dance and all that and stuff like that, see if it makes any noise of me, all that rubbish and all that stuff. I'm going to go behind this bush here. I'm going to do a hide behind the bush. Can you see me behind the bush? Can you see me? Yes, you can. I'm going to go all the way over here. I'm just going to, you might be outshot now. And I'm wondering, bit of a, he works in some cat poo then. And put, yeah, so, and this will also test out my camera, Canon R7, to see if it will pick me back up. So what do you guys think? If that still keeps it up and there's no interruption from this, if I don't hear any noise. Now, I'm on the main road as well. So I'm assuming you can hear, obviously, the traffic in the background. But from what I've heard, I am loving this. I am absolutely loving this. So there you go. What do you guys think of the sound quality? Now, there is a volume switch on the side of the receiver, which you can put up by 2, I think it's 6 and then 12, and then minus. Now, I've noticed that if I put it up, it's very, very loud, so the sound quality is just absolutely perfect on it. So if I lowered it down, I had it on minus 12, I think I had it on, and that seems to be working fine from outside onto here, and I'm quite happy with the quality of it. We'll be doing a separate video connecting it to this, the Osmo Action 3. But at the moment, what do you guys think? Do you like the quality of it? Do you like the sound of it? Would you buy the DJI Mic Mini mic? Would you buy the, the set? The reason again for this set is because I just wanted, I think the fact that you get 2 mics, it's very versatile. It's, you can charge it up on the go. DJI advertises that this has 11.5 hours on the transmitter and 10.5 hours on the receiver. So on the receiver there is a dial which ups the volume by 2, so 6 and 12, and you can lower that to minus 6 and 12. Now I put it down to, I think it was minus 6 to get just the right amount volume on there. If I pull it any higher, then it was too loud, but there was no kind of distortion apart from you could hear all sorts of things around you, but I just wanted to hear myself outside. Well, what do you guys think? What do you think of the quality of this? I'm impressed so far. I love it so far. I'm happy I bought it. And yeah, if you like this video, please comment and share. Let me know what you guys think by dropping your comments in this section down below. Until then, you take care, guys, and stay warm. Bye now.